¿Sabías que podemos ir a una casa? Entrar en una de las casas.
¿Qué casa? ¿Acá?
Sí,
Ah, mira, sí, es una casa.
la casa de las escaleras.
Nunca lo vi.
¿No lo viste en ningún momento?
No,
¿Es en serio?
qué raro.
Yo lo vi desde ayer.
Oh, boy.
Ay, por favor.
At your job and have no skills, okay? And let's ignore the fact that Hondo Naka could hire anyone of the hundreds of applicants all around us to replace him. But even if we forget all of that, you want to know if you could run the whole place yourself. Okay. In all the cycles I've been here, the only one Hondo Naka has ever promoted is Hondo Naka. Is your name Hondo Naka? No. Then get back to work.
But you don't have to wait in line.
Combustion chamber. Overheating. Thrust chamber. Overheating. Turbine exhaust. Overheating. It's not cooling down. People, this is bad. This is what happens before everything goes through. Well, what happened to the automatic coolant?
It wasn't such a good idea to run the discipline cruise right past an engine repair site, huh?
Let's go, guys. Mira calmando, This is so much fun. Mira calmando. This is so much fun.
Let's see if we can get. You don't see it.
Go.
I think all the people
Yo estuve en estos juegos.
Wow. Mira, Galaxy's Edge en las nubes. Qué lindo.
They have like multiple pods.
Guard to Malta. Malta to guard. Checking in. What do you need? Not much. Checking in with you. Very need. No, if I can get back to work, I'd appreciate it.
All the way forward, fill in all open space here, all the way forward. Fill in all open space.
We're in a bit of a situation. The computer doesn't steal it.
I can see now you're breaking up. I cannot hear you.
Won't you dare?
I do. Unfortunate technical difficulty. Boring conversation anyway. Another group of flight candidates. Welcome, my friends. Welcome, brother. What a fine-looking group of flight professionals. You remind me of me. But without the bounty on your heads. Recognize a few of you. You've flown for me before. I can't believe you made it back. And it's good you made it back. Good for you.
Pablo, one of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around him. Yes. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. Oh no, for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine friend! Yes. As agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. Wow, the first owner would never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn.
On the shooter. That doesn't tell you already. Right?
Hey, go slow.
I know.
All you guys are going to the car. Walk slow.
Okay, so
Where are we going? Whoa. Look, we can sit at the table. Nico? What up, Nico? Yeah.
Brown. I can't see your face, honey. Brown, we're ready. Oh, there you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We're in the middle. We're gunners. We're in the middle.
Vamos todos juntos. Somos un equipo. Vení.
A brand new flight crew.
Vaya.
Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia.
Okay.
You will be intercepting
Got
the
her.
first
Okay.
order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get the move on and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case.
We're going in.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan
All right, you're going to take your seats, put your
Okay,
seatbelts on.
me estoy acostumbrada.
Oh, seatbelt.
Seatbelt.
Oh, there. Where do I put it? Oh, I see.
Pull your back over the seat.
Okay.
All right, good. Once you're all buckled in, go ahead and toggle the yellow tab. Make sure you're locked in.
Hurry now, time is running.
All right, perfect. All right, that's your buttons.
Flight engineer, repair this. Hit your flashing button.
Whoa!
You'd better be faster when we get real trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly. Go get that coaxial. Right, pilot. Make the jump coaxial. Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out. todos, take evasive action.
Okay.
Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. Gunners, blast away. Blast. Ah, there it is. Have the nightmare. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends.
Oh my god.
Power up the ship. Well, I grab go axiom.
Oh my god.
You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train.
Muévete para acá.
Pilots, into the center.
I made you.
The train.
Answer.
Things are getting too hot. We got to get out of here. A distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Pilot us in. Remove. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough.
Whoa. Awesome pilots.
Sorry about that.
First timers. Lucky pilots.
Hyperdrive leak. That is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures. Well, it could be worse. Life support failure. Okay, that's something. I'm just going to cut you off there. It might be faster if you listen to parts that are not damaged. You know, the ones that help us to breathe. All right, my friends. Whoa! Looks like we're ready to unload.
Oh my god. That was rough. Damn. Ow.
Scrap metal.
That was intense.
Yeah.
Y otra vez.
Es muy difícil, Nico.
Era muy difícil.
Necesitas haciendo las piernas.